Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. The first thing what you need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And if you are having this cover here, you will find in the cover another box, and at the back of this box you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it like that, and yeah. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on top of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the regular SIM card, also optional a second one or a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here, the first position. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner here, the SIM tray. It only fits like this. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and optional, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. So you need that position here. So this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner. And the missing corner belongs to the missing corner here. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay, and in case, if you want to have a micro SD card, you need that space here of the second SIM. So you have to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card. In case, so on the micro SD card to extend the internal storage goes here also to the last position. Fix it well. Sometimes you hear a little click noise then. And this is how it should look like then. And as you can imagine, the contacts are also below. Okay, and after you put your construction back into the SIM slot, close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.